Good morning, Elle.
Good morning.
What you doing?
Like the very first fire in our awesome new fireplace.
Oh yeah, I'm excited. Let's do it. Oh, how does that handle action feel?
Pretty actiony.
Ooh. Oh, it looks like something's burning. Do you know if the flue's open or closed?
I think it's open. This newspaper isn't very flammable.
It's been sitting in there for a week and maybe some water's dripped in. I don't know.
No, I think it's because it's the shiny paper.
Oh yeah. All right, we might have to revisit this situation in about 5 minutes when it's really like the wood's all burning well. Check back in with you in a moment. Fire in the fireplace. Woohoo!
Yeah.
You like it?